Hello guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Daily. In today's video we are going to talk about the latest update in regards of ImHuman application. So ImHuman, they are going to give us like a chance to claim our token and send it directly to the other exchange that we are going to trade our token. So all you need to do like to claim your token, it is as simple as you can see. Like here is the interface of my application. So you have to come and click on this view details. So when you click on this view details, here this icon, as you can see, and this icon which is export to other wallet. So you have to click on it. So when you click on this export to other wallet, you have to import it your ImHuman password, so that the secret phrase will be shown for you. So when you import it, like when you export your secret phrase, all you need to do is to go your MetaMask wallet or Bitget wallet or any other Web3 wallet that you are using to go and import the secret phrase, because you are going to using it directly to the wallet without being having a problem to send your token smoothly to the exchange. So let's go and show you like how to import your secret phrase, because like so let's put the password so that I should exported my passphrase. So let's go. So as you can see, like I have exported my secret phrase. All I need to do is to come and copy the private key. So when I copy the private key, I should go to my Web3 wallet, any other Web3 wallet that I've been using, like MetaMask or OKS or Bitget wallet. But me, I prefer using Bitget wallet. So let's go together. Let's go into our Bitget Web3 wallet, so that I will show you where you should import your private key. So let's go together. So as you can see, like here is my all Web3 wallet that I've been using. So we have to enter our Bitget Web3 wallet. So when you enter your Web3 wallet like this, all you need to do is to come and click this icon here. When you click on this icon, it will show you like option, like you have to enter or multiple wallet that you have, or to add another wallet. So we have to add another wallet. So let's click on add another wallet. You have to come and click on this import wallet. So when you click on this import wallet, so the secret phrase that you have been copying, you have to come and click on this import. When you click on import, you have to paste the secret phrase that you have been copying. Here is how you are going to claim your token. So when they are going to send the token like to the all of the wallet that's been participating in the ImHuman application, so all you need to do is to come your Web3 wallet without being making yourself like to the like application overloads, because application maybe it can be overloaded at the time that the claiming is goes live. So I think here is all what you need to do to claim your token. So if this is your first time to cross my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell, so that you'll be notified whenever I upload the video. Thank you.